In this video, we're going to explore a feature of calculated fields form that many users tend to overlook, but which can be incredibly useful: printing forms. And when we talk about printing a form, we're not referring only to printing it on paper. Modern devices can also print directly to PDF, which means you can easily generate a PDF document containing both the form and user-entered values. The basic setup couldn't be simpler. Just insert a button field into your form and select Print as the button type. That's all you need to do. But this is where things start to get interesting. Let's talk about customizing the printed version of your form. If your form contains multiple pages, the Print button will, by default, print only the page where the button is located. So the first decision you need to make is whether you want to print the current page only or the entire form. Fortunately, this behavior is very easy to configure. In the button settings, you'll find an option that allows you to include all form pages in the printed version. Enable it to print the entire form, or disable it to print only the current page. Now let's move on to another common question. How can we hide specific fields from the printed version of the form? To make this possible, the plugin includes a predefined CSS class called cff-no-print. Simply add this class through the Add CSS Layout Keywords attribute of any field you want to exclude from printing. Those fields will remain fully functional and visible in the form itself, but they won't appear in the printed copy or generated PDF. Next, let's talk about design customization. If you want to change the appearance of the form or specific controls only when the form is printed, you'll need to use the CSS at Media rule. The at Media rule allows you to apply styles only under specific conditions. In our case, we'll use at Media print, which applies styles exclusively during printing. For example, we could display calculated fields with a red background and white text, but only in the printed version of the form. These CSS rules can be added through the Customize Form Design setting located under Form Settings, Advanced Settings. Before we finish, I'd like to share one final tip. Using CSS, you can also control page breaks in the printed document. The page break before and page break after properties allow you to force page breaks before or after specific elements. This can be especially useful when working with long forms or when you want certain sections to start on a new page. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helps you take full advantage of the printing capabilities available in calculated fields form. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.